In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MX records on Namecheap in just 5 minutes. Setting up your MX records correctly is crucial for ensuring that your emails are delivered properly, so let's walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Namecheap account, so let's get started by heading over to the Namecheap website. Once you arrive, click on the account button, usually located at the top right corner. This is where you'll enter your login credentials. In the designated fields, type in your username and password. If you don't have these handy, check your email for any previous account setups, or reset your password following the provided instructions on the site. After you're logged in, click on the button that says Sign In and Continue. Now let's navigate to your dashboard. If you don't automatically land there after signing in, you can find it by following the link or button typically found in your account overview. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your domain settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the domain you wish to update. You'll see a Manage button next to it. Click on this to proceed. We're now entering the Domain Management area. What we want to do next is locate the Advanced DNS tab, so go ahead and click on that. This section houses many advanced settings for your domain, including your MX records. Now, in the Advanced DNS section, you'll want to find the Mail Settings area. Once there, click on the drop-down menu. This is where you'll select Custom MX, which allows you to input your own mail server settings, crucial for point your email to the correct server. It's important to know what you're inputting here. For the host, you typically use the @ symbol, which serves as a placeholder for your domain name. Next, type in the mail server value. This is something you'll get from your mail provider, so double check your emails or any technical documentation for these details. It's usually something like mail.yourdomain.com or a series of numbers. After entering the mail server, you must input the priority value. This determines the order in which servers are used. If you're inputting multiple servers, the server with the lower number will be the first one the email tries to connect to. Once you've correctly entered all these details, take a deep breath and double check your entries for any typos or mistakes. Finally, it's time to save your changes. You'll find a button labeled Save All Changes. Click on that and you're all set. Just keep in mind that it might take a few hours for the updates to propagate across the internet, so some patience might be needed to see everything in action. And there you have it, your MX records are now set up on Namecheap. If you followed all these steps, your email should now route correctly to your chosen mail server. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.